Hi everyone, welcome back to the new table topic. And the new table topic is what would happen if I had to be without my phone? What would happen if I had to be without my phone? What would happen? So, in today's life, we have become too much addicted to phones, right? And in that respect, this question makes sense. Indeed, it's a very important question. What would happen if I had to be without my phone? So I'm a productivity freak. What I do is I generally monitor my phone's usage, and every day I try to reduce and keep it around like 1 hour and 1.5 hours. So that has been my goal consistently. So if you ask me that what would happen if I had to be without my phone, so I won't face any problem. I would be able to do easily. There has been days when I have checked my phone for only like let's say 12, not let's say for 12 minutes in that day, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So that has happened. So for me, it doesn't matter very much. I will be happy to do it. So, but this topic is very important. So now the next question comes, how am I able to do it? So what happens is that I keep my distraction in silent mode, not my phone on the silent mode. So, and I regularly track the what's the time that each app I'm spending on. So I will try to reduce that. So for example, I started using WhatsApp too much. So uh, I put those notifications on silent mode. Then it happened to be there were some Facebook or Instagram app that I used to browse often. I uninstalled that app. So that's the thing. These are the extreme measures that we all can do, but I'm not recommending, but sometimes, someday you can do. If you It doesn't have to be your subconscious mind to go to check that video. It doesn't have to be that way. It has to be your conscious decision if you are spending the time. And my opinion, honestly, if you want to spend your time in leisure way, then don't use phone. Just sit in some place, some sound is coming, or maybe just look at the nature, just feel it. So that's what I would recommend. Thank you. Over to you.